is Mega Man 11 for the Nintendo Switch. The special edition with the Amiibo, the game, extra crap, you know. Let's open it. So when you open inside, first thing you get, the Amiibo. White stock holder, no back, no casing. Get back here, get the game. So good looking, quality. You get a handkerchief, stickers, a patch, and that's about it. Cool box art. Let me show you all the accessories. So the Amiibo is a different, you know, art style from like his Smash Bros. Amiibo. You got different backing. It says 30th since 1987. Pretty cool. A little special Amiibo. That's nice. Let's get into the handkerchief next. So the handkerchief has all the men from the games, the robot. You know, you got